Hey everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to open a Revolut account in USA. Let's get started. After opening the app, choose the country USA and type a number. After typing your number, you will receive a code. Type the code and after that, you'll now have the option to turn on notifications. Then have the options to choose your country, your home address, and you enter your name, your date of birth, and your email. Then you'll be asked to take a quick selfie. If you're from US or Canada, you will need to type your social security number. After that, you'll need to choose the options on what do you want to use Revolut for. And that is how you open a Revolut account.